This time, impossible water purification. Snake's 1-minute survival tip. You've got fire, but no metal pot, no kettle. Just a desperate thirst. And maybe, just maybe, an ordinary glass jar. Sounds impossible, right? Glass plus fire usually equals shattered mess. But here's the ingenious secret that could literally save your life. Indirect heat. Once your campfire burns down to a bed of glowing, intense coals, not direct flames, carefully clear a small pit. Now, take your trusty glass jar, filled with questionable water, and gently nestle it into those coals. Bury it about halfway. The key is to let the consistent, even heat from the embers slowly transfer through the glass. Watch closely. Within minutes, you'll see steam beginning to rise, then the first telltale bubbles. Soon, your humble glass jar will be home to a rolling boil. Boiling kills dangerous bacteria, viruses, and parasites, transforming undrinkable, life-threatening fluid into a safe, clean, life-sustaining resource. It's an ancient principle applied to a common, unexpected item. So next time you're out there, remember this game-changing trick: a simple glass jar, a campfire, and the knowledge to survive. Want more unexpected survival hacks? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss my next video. Stay safe, stay smart.